Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as promised, we are starting our gardening, and with that we have to start the seeds. So before we got the ground and everything ready, we are getting our tomatoes and peppers, which these right here are our peppers, and we have nothing but heirloom varieties, so we'll be able to keep seeds from them when they actually produce for us. Looks like this one's actually starting to, nope, that's two of them. But so yeah, these are our peppers, and it's a red sweet bell pepper. And then we have two varieties of tomatoes. We have a Cherokee tomato, and then we also have a Crimson Cushion tomato. So both of those are nice, almost like a beefsteak type tomato. And then these are the strawberries that we got. They're just now starting to pop up. We got these from the Dollar Tree. It comes with just a little bit of soil. I didn't like the looks of it. It was literally like a little pancake about this big. So I used the same organic soil that we use for all of our seeds and put it in here, and we're doing them that way. But we have overall, how many tomato plants do we got?
40 tomato plants and about 20 peppers.
So we have a total of 40 tomato plants approximately, and about 20 pepper plants. So looks like we're gonna have a lot of canning to do this fall. Yay! But just think, all the nice juicy yummy tomatoes. Hope you guys are getting your gardens set up and ready, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we will be having some more videos come up of the process for the gardens. We do have some container ideas that we want to do this year instead of full in-ground gardening, but yeah, we'll have some videos on that stuff too. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.